Let me say something that might sound uncomfortable at first. If weight loss shots did all the work on their own, we wouldn't be seeing so many women feeling stuck, frustrated, or scared about what happens next. And I'm saying that as someone who personally uses GLP-1 medication and works with women every day who are navigating weight loss with or without medication. The shot can be a powerful tool, absolutely, but the shot is not the plan. And today we're talking about why weight loss shots don't replace lifestyle change, especially for women over 40. My name is Dr. Kisha Pickford, and I'm a nurse practitioner and a holistic nutrition weight loss coach. I've worked in emergency rooms for multiple years, caring for people with metabolic disease and its long-term complications. I also personally use GLP-1 medication for weight loss. And this is Weight Talk Thursdays, where we keep it heart-centered, hormone-friendly, and real-life approved. Now, let's highlight what the shot does and what it doesn't do. GLP-1 medications for weight loss help with regulating appetite, blood sugar, and insulin response. They can reduce hunger, increase fullness, improve metabolic signaling. But here's what they don't do. They don't teach you how to nourish your body, protect muscle mass, manage stress, improve sleep, heal emotional eating, or prepare you for long-term maintenance. That still matters, and it still belongs to us. And this is where I see a lot of women misunderstand what's happening when progress slows. And this brings me to something I experienced personally. When I first started weight loss medication, I expected the appetite control to do the heavy lifting. And at first, the scale moved, which was encouraging. But then I noticed something else. My energy, it was inconsistent. My workouts felt off, and my weight loss wasn't as steady as I expected. That's when I realized I wasn't fully applying the same coaching principles I teach. Once I intentionally paired medication with adequate protein, strength training, structured meals, stress awareness, my body responded differently, not just on the scale, but in how I felt. And that was a turning point for me because it confirmed something I already knew clinically. Medication supports biology and lifestyle protects results. So, why do stalls happen without lifestyle support? When lifestyle habits don't change, here's what I often see. Protein intake stays too low, muscle mass declines, fat loss slows, and your metabolism adapts. And the fear of eating creeps back in, and then women start to think the shot stopped working. But what's really happening is the body is missing support. And I see this not just in myself, but in my clients too. I once worked with a client who had a great start on the medication. The scale moved quickly in the beginning, and then it stopped. She hadn't changed much in how she was eating. Protein was low, strength training wasn't happening, and meals were inconsistent if she ate at all. Once we slowed down and applied lifestyle strategy, not restriction, things shifted. Her weight loss resumed, her confidence improved, and most importantly, her fear around food started to calm. The medication didn't fail her. She just needed a plan to work with it. And for women over 40, lifestyle change isn't optional. It's protective. Protein protects muscle. Strength training protects metabolism. Sleep protects our hormones. Stress management protects progress. The shot can support appetite, but lifestyle protects our future. And this is why at Ample Health and Wellness, we don't separate medication from education. Some women start by reading my book, The Wait is Over, and this will help them to understand how metabolism and hormones change after 40. Others choose the on-demand masterclass to learn how our holistic approach works. And some women decide they want accountability and guidance through our Fresh Start Holistic Weight Loss Program. There's no right order to start. There's just the right level of support for where you are today. And here's a reflection for the week. What's one lifestyle habit you know supports your health but hasn't been consistent yet? There's no guilt, no shame, no judgment, just awareness. And if you're comfortable with what you decide, drop one thought in the comments. I would love to offer support and read your comment that you share with our community. In future Weight Talk Thursdays, we'll continue talking about real life GLP-1 use, sustainable weight loss, and protecting your health long term. Well, that's all I have for this episode today. Thank you for spending this time with me. And remember, your health is not a secret. It's your story. So own it. Until next time, please stay healthy and most definitely be safe. Bye.